The UN General Assembly adopted a resolution on Thursday that allows the Assembly to suspend the Russian Federation's membership in the Geneva-based UN Human Rights Council. The draft resolution, Suspension of the Rights of Membership of the Russian Federation in the Human Rights Council, obtained 93 yes votes and 24 no votes from the 193-member General Assembly. A total of 58 countries abstained. 18 countries did not participate in the voting. After Ukraine accused Russian troops of killing hundreds of civilians across the streets of the Kiev suburb of Bucha, the United States announced it would seek Russia's suspension. Russia has denied attacking civilians in Ukraine.